Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Pepe price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates, and drop your questions and comments below. I would be glad to answer it. So starting with Pepe on the daily chart, as we can see in our channel here, taken from this base point, we are looking of course here for a corrective waves and not an impulse. We are definitely looking for an A, B, and a C as a three waves towards the upside, where we did not broke yet this channel, and therefore we cannot yet call an impulse. Of course, we are still ranging, of course, inside it. However, inside this A, B, and a C, your wave C is an impulse, of course, finished in the orange label where you have finished your wave A. Your wave A is three waves up, and you need of course three waves down, and then continuation towards the upside for a wave C, of course, to reach this finished regular flat, or as a zigzag. And I'm saying here a zigzag because there is another option that this can be a zigzag, where we are looking at possibly at 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, where you are looking of course for a contracting diagonal here, which is very probably that this is the case scenario. And in this case scenario, of course, I'm just gonna add the contracting diagonal just as a signal from your wave 1 to your wave 3, and from your wave 2 to your wave 4. And in that case, sorry, this is your wave 2. And in that case scenario, of course, this contracting diagonal can work as, of course, as a motive wave for your wave A, where you are looking for a wave B in 3 corrective waves, and then 5 waves towards the upside. Inside your corrective channel here, where we were looking inside this blue channel, we are looking of course for a correction here, where we are looking of course for 3 waves towards the downside. And in these 3 waves, we see here 3 waves already done, and 3 waves towards the upside also done. So we can call them A and B in a regular flat, and we are looking of course for one more impulsive wave towards the downside, possibly of course as predicted before, and possibly that we are in 1, 2, and 1, 2, and now 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave C, and of course for a wave B under it. And in this case scenario, of course, there is no impulse here. We are looking for a wave C. And this wave C might unfold, as we said, as 3 waves towards the downside still, because the one of those waves has been already formed as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And of course, one more wave as 4, 5, very, very possible. Because you have already here a 1, 2, of course, that means we might still make one more wave. Yeah, so these are the update on the daily. Let's move a little bit inside it to see what is the thing that going on inside Pepe. For the daily is done, then let's go inside the 4-hour chart. And the 4-hour chart here, what did we have before? Let's check. Yeah, we already sent a, very nice. We have on the 4-hour chart here, we were looking for an impulse, possibly, if that was because, yeah, I know why, because we saw here a very massive wave leaving, of course, the base channel taken from this impulse, possibly, where we are looking at 1 and ABC as expanding flat as for 2, and then 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5. However, your impulse here did left the channel. However, it broke it back again directly, and it never used it as a support to bounce for another wave. And that was the problem here, where we are looking definitely for an A, B, and a C. And that was, of course, your A, B, C here, not finished yet as a correction. And here, this signal tells us that we are still looking, of course, for one more wave towards the downside. So yes, that was a perfect signal to know what happened just by looking at this break inside this channel again. So we are looking, of course, for an extended correction after double ABC. Here we go. And of course, we are still looking for a big one as ABC. So here we go, A, B, and a wave C towards the downside. Yeah, so these are the most probable scenarios. Now let's take a look at our impulse. No need for this channel, same as for this one. It has finished its job perfectly. So what we are looking here, of course, is an impulse, is a wave one, definitely. So we are looking at 1, 2, and then of course 3, 4, 5 towards the downside, and definitely this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, and then wave 2, and then continuation towards the downside as spoken in the daily chart. So thank you for your likes and comments. That was it for Pepe. I hope that you like it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.